iOS 11 was one of the worst updates ever given by the Apple in the history. So to fix its bugs and other crashes, Apple has released iOS 12, which is a great news. I mean, iOS 12 new upgrade is reliable because of its new features, as Apple has announced some of the new and latest features. And Also, upgrade is only available to the beta users, and for the non-beta users, you can get the upgrade with the OTA or with the help of iTunes. And for the public beta users, you can just get the update by downgrading by following some simple steps. And also, the iOS compatibility is very good, as the iOS 12 is compatible with all the devices which are compatible with the iOS 11, which means from the iPhone X till the 2013's iPhone 5s, every device in between is compatible with iOS 12. So it's a great news. And also the compatibility with the iPad is also very good, as it is compatible with the latest 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2nd generation till the iPad Mini 2. So the compatibility issue, I don't think there is much, and is a great news. And also, to upgrade to the iOS 12, you must enroll yourself in the beta program by using your Apple ID. So that's pretty much it for about the iOS 12. And next, coming to the Xiaomi Redmi Pro Note 6 Pro. Sorry. Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. So it is available in AliExpress, the popular website, with 4 colors, which are black, blue, rose gold, and red. And the main highlights which are specified in it are its metal body and its display notch. So also the price range is about $193.99 and $218.99, which is equal to 14,100 rupees and 15,900 rupees in Indian rupees. So apart from these, other features are it contains dual nano SIM slots and runs on MIUI 9 top of the Android, and also have a 6.28-inch full HD plus 1080 into 1920 pixels display. And also it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC, and it also have a 3GB RAM with 32GB onboard memory. And also, coming to the camera, it has a dual rear camera with 12 megapixels as primary sensor and 5 megapixels as a secondary sensor, and also have a LED flash. And coming to the front camera, it has the company is claiming that it has 20 MP as a primary sensor and 2 MP as a secondary sensor. And let's see how the camera will be. And also it has a front facing fingerprint sensor, and the battery life is very good, as it has 4000 mAh battery, so there's no problem in the battery backup, I guess. And that's pretty much for the Note 6 Pro. And coming to the next one, it is WhatsApp launched new features. Yes, new features. One is the dark mode, and second one is a swipe to reply. So the dark mode in WhatsApp is most awaited feature, I guess, by many of the users, as the white and green the white and green colors which we have in the old versions of old versions of WhatsApp used to, get a, get a pressure on eyes, like when we are using in the dark, my eyes used to pain a lot. So bringing the dark theme allows all the users to use the WhatsApp even in the dark places, dark environments. So that's one of the best new features ever launched by WhatsApp. And also coming to the next point, swipe to reply. So till now, when we get a notification on WhatsApp, we have to click the reply button and then we have to type a message and send it. But from now, that's not the case. You're just going to swipe it right when the notification comes, and you'll automatically get the chat box. I mean, the typing box with the cursor on. So you can just type your message and send it directly. So like this messaging has been made much simpler in WhatsApp. So that's pretty much for this curious technical talk. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.